Welcome to our integrator to ProCore's Timesheets. This short video will demonstrate how our interface works. We always attempt to create our interfaces to be as easy to use as possible and include a help file that should answer most questions one would have and includes any configuration instructions that may be needed. There are two methods by which you can log into Sage 100 Contractor. The choice is made by either leaving this box checked for the Windows authentication method or by unchecking it for the SQL authentication method. If you uncheck it, be sure you enter the correct username. Once you've entered your credentials, select the SQL Server instance that has your Sage 100 Contractor companies. Usually it has a name that ends with or has Sage 100 Con in it, and then select the company you wish to import to. Click the Setup button and then click the Get Access button. This will bring you to a ProCore login page where you enter your credentials, and you will be presented with an authentication string of characters which you simply copy and paste to our utility and click the Submit button. This authenticates you with the ProCore database. Then select the date range you wish to import. If you want to import a single employee's time, then click the Refresh Employees button, wait for it to refresh, and then simply choose the employee from the drop-down list. Otherwise, leave the selection at all for all employees for the period of time selected. Before I click Import, I want to explain a couple of things. First, I want you to see the date range in Sage 100 Contractor's daily payroll for the days I have chosen so you can see there is no data there. Secondly, I've purposely chosen a date range to import for which I know there are missing items in the Sage 100 Contractor database I am using. In other words, there may be employees or other data in the ProCore database that aren't in Sage 100 Contractor. If so, we will generate an error or exception screen showing you what those were. With that in mind, let's click Import. You will see a message will display indicating items are importing. This could take some time depending on the number of employees and jobs and so on. In this particular case, I only chose the 2 days because I know this particular company's data has hundreds of employees, so any given day will have many entries. In fact, this actual import took about 6 minutes. When the import has completed, you will either be presented with a message that the import successfully completed or with a message something like this, letting you know what items were missing in Sage 100 Contractor. When we look in Sage 100 Contractor, you will see that the time for these 2 days has indeed been imported for everyone, less of course the exceptions. This is how our interface to ProCore's Timesheets works. If you have any questions, would like to purchase, or have an interest in any of our other integration tools, feel free to contact us or check out our website. Thank you, and we hope you have a terrific day.